Hi guys, welcome to Caribbean Blend, and today I have a special dish for you. Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to make Jamaican style curry cow foot with tripe and beans and some dumpling spinners. Alright, so before you cook, make sure you wash your meat. Here I have my meat washed. I'm going to wash it with some vinegar and some lime. Alright. Then after washing, I'm going to proceed to seasoning. Alright. So to start seasoning, I have some diced up garlic. I'm also going to put some pimento seed. I'm also going to put some diced up ginger. Alright. After that, I'm going to use some powder seasoning. This is my special blend of all-purpose powder seasoning. You can season it to your liking and to your taste. I'm going to rub that all together, and then after that, I'm going to apply my homemade green seasoning. That video is up on my page in my playlist. You can go and watch it and make your own Jamaican style green seasoning. Green seasoning is good to apply to any dish that you're making: fish, pork, beef, chicken, grilling, sauteing, whatever you're doing with your meat. Put some green seasoning on it and it will taste so much better. Alright. So here you want to rub it up, and then after that you can marinate it or you can cook it right away. So now we're going to start the cooking process. Put some oil in the pot and then some curry powder. I'm not going to use all of the curry powder at once. I'm going to pour some in, and then afterwards, if I need more, I will apply it if I need more curry. Because sometimes you put in curry and it's not, it's not the right color where you want, so you have to add more curry. I am using the burning the curry method. You can also throw the curry while you're seasoning the meat in the bowl, right? But I find this to give the food more flavor when you burn the curry. So after that, I'm going to add all the meat in. And while I'm adding the meat in, I'm going to stir it in so that it can evenly distribute the curry all over the meat. And then also that the meat don't stick while I'm applying the rest of it. And once you're all done putting all the meat in the pot, you want to give it a stir, and then you want to let it cook down until you feel like it has a nice yellow curry look, right? Then you're going to let that cook for at least 2 to 2.5 hours if you're cooking it straight. If you're not cooking it straight and you're using a pressure cooker, that can slash the time in half to maybe about an hour. But cook your cow foot until it's soft. Alright, once it's cooked, you want to apply some more green seasoning with some Scotch bonnet pepper, some onion, scallion, thyme. Alright, and some more ginger and garlic. Then to your taste, if you think you need some more powder seasoning, go ahead and add some more powder seasoning. After you add the powder seasoning, you want to stir it up again and let it cook down for a little bit, at least another 10 minutes. After it cooked down, you want to add your butter beans, and as you see here, I'm going to add some spinach dumpling. Spinach dumpling is flour, water, a little bit of salt if you want salt, and you're going to make a dough, and then you're just going to roll them. I did not put up the tutorial for that, the video for that one, but I can do that on a separate video. Alright. If you don't want to add the dumplings in, you can use potatoes, the white potato. And then you just let this cook down for like another 15 minutes and until everything is cooked and combined well. And then here you have it. This is the way it will come out. This is a nice flavorful dish, curry cow foot with tripe and beans, Jamaican style. Please like and subscribe for more videos, and thank you for watching Caribbean Blend.